Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Free Lifestyle. I hope you all guys doing very great in your families. So today in this video, my sister is here, so she don't know anything what I'm going to do today. So you have any idea?
Actually, I don't have any idea.
So let me explain you guys what is my content is about. Actually, if in one home two siblings are there, most probably they know each other very well. So from childhood onwards, we both lived in different places. If I will be in my hometown, she will be in hostel or some like next city or some other places like that. So hopefully I'm expecting that she know everything about me, but let me check how much well we know about each other. Okay, so this is the content. I have few questions I have prepared for you, so you have to spontaneously choose few questions to ask me about you. Okay, so let me start guys. I hope this video won't be get so bored for you. You'll definitely enjoy this video. Let's get started. So, you want to start first or want me to start first?
Actually, I don't have any idea to ask you right now the questions. So please go ahead.
Okay, I'll ask the questions. I have prepared few questions for her.
Okay.
So, there will be two rounds. So, first of all, I'll ask a general questions like I'll give one topic
Sure.
and you have to tell me what is your opinion and what do you feel about that. So next round will be few questions I'll ask about my personal things. So you have to answer me like you know about me well or not. So this is very simple. So let me start with the first round. Okay. My question is, what do you mean by love?
Love.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, love means there are different types of love. First of all,
Okay.
like a mother, sister, brother, parents, like it's a God's love as well.
Okay.
So first love is from the God. We are here today because of God. So that is a eternal love, and mother's love. It's unconditional love, which we can't get from anyone in this world after God. And the father. The father is like a caring, responsibilities, whatever it is. He is the second, like a God. What we can say. We cannot trust a man in this world apart from our father. From the husband, that is only trust and understanding from him. That's it about love. I don't have more to express. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
So there was a well and good explanation about love, and she did it well. So you want me to ask next question, okay?
Oh, I have a question for you.
Okay.
So, what do you like wearing a Western kind of dresses or traditional kind of dresses?
Okay. Obviously, everyone knows that I am more into a Western part. So I like wearing Western because from childhood onwards, I'm very comfortable of wearing like t-shirts, shirts, and jeans kind of things. So they make me feel comfortable and they make me what I am. So I feel much more comfortable in Western. Also, I love wearing traditional also, but occasionally. Yeah.
Okay, but I want to share one thing.
Okay.
So, guys, you don't know one thing that from childhood, whoever sees this girl, they think that she is a boy, not a girl, because her dressing sense is like that. I don't know really, when I saw the picture, one picture is there in our home. She is like a laddu. My father, he took me to the studio to take a picture of mine. I don't know whether that day is my birthday.
Your birthday, yeah.
So she is wearing a normal dress, not like a good dress, and
A regular
all,
dress.
regular dress, normal T-shirt. So she is like running behind us, like I want to come, I want to come. She is like a very dumbu, this much fat.
Chubby fella.
After that, I saw many times she will wear only pant and shirt, T-shirt kind of thing. I thought that she is like a tomboy. She won't wear in her life a traditional dress at all. And the sari means she never wore sari when up to 10th, I think so. After she changed so much. This is a drastic change what I'm seeing right now. That's
So
it.
yeah, moving to the next question. This is my turn. I'll ask you one question for you.
Okay.
Which is your best time in your life?
Best time.
Yeah.
So, yeah, only one answer. The best time ever and never. Whenever I'll be with my baby girl. That's it.
I already expected this answer. She'll definitely say this only.
Yes. I have got one question for you.
Okay.
So, you are like a social media person. I know that because whenever you see, she will be on the phone. I'll call 2-3 times. She'll be on the phone because she don't listen what I'm saying. So I have a question that whenever you post a picture in the Instagram or whatever it is,
Okay.
so what do you trust in, like a comments or likes or what?
So you are asking me what I trust most in comments or likes.
Yeah, about
So guys, let me tell you, thank you for asking this question. I'm telling to all of my friends and to my all the subscribers that if you are posting any picture, what I personally feel is I don't trust in likes, because my friends, most of my friends from my class or anyone, so they will talk to me, they will be nice to me, they'll act so sweet in front of me, but when they see my picture, they will do back bitching like what she's doing here, what she's feeling about her. But they like my picture and they'll come to me next day and they will say, hey, your picture is very nice. But I really don't trust that kind of people. I know people very well. If I'll see them for one or twice, I'll decide what kind of person they are. Not just because of the looks of their character. When I'll see them, I'll just go through what they are, what their mindset is. So it may be a little small kind of a comment. It makes me feel so much of happy. So I'll trust comments rather than likes. So I think we are done with this first round. Moving to the second round, this is going to be a lot tough one. So that I'm going to know how well my sisters know about me, like my tastes, my ideas, like everything.
Okay.
So my question is, which is my favorite food?
Favorite food?
Yeah.
There are so many favorite foods for you. What I have to say? Paneer.
Yeah.
Paneer with roti, right?
Yeah. I really love the way she cook and the taste will be excellent. She's like wonderful chef, I can say. Seriously, she will cook very nicely. Yeah, she knows.
Question is, let me know which is my favorite color. I think you might know. I'm expecting from you.
Guys, seriously, I'm confused because she used to wear a lot of stuff everywhere, all
But
the color.
you can think that most of these days I used to say this color I love, this color I love to wear or to see. Wherever I go to shop, I usually see the same that color. And your Jiju also bought the same t-shirt nowadays, the new one.
Shit. Oh my god. Is it yellow? I think yellow. Yeah, my answer is yellow.
Yellow, but it's
Pale yellow.
shade.
Pale yellow.
No, mustard yellow.
Oh guys, okay.
But okay, I accept. She said yellow, right? Okay, no problem. Okay.
Not so close, but my answer
Yes.
is correct. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mustard yellow.
Then my next question will be,
Yes, eagerly waiting for that.
I'm gonna test her seriously.
Yeah, sure.
Which is my favorite app?
Your favorite app is Instagram.
Yeah, seriously. She just answered just like that.
Yes, I know because every time she used to check that if Komal Pandey or something else mostly saying that this, who are doing what they are wearing, what they are doing, what they are like a shade or lipstick, whatever it is,
Okay.
will be on Instagram.
Yeah, I like Instagram a lot.
Yes. So my turn.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you. My turn. So the question is for you. What kind of a person I am? It's angry kind of, or happy, or whatever. Tell me.
So I feel that she won't get angry. First of all, she is not like a gussa hone wala girl. So every time you see her, she'll always smile. She'll always be laughing with everyone. She will accept everyone with that warm smile she will used to give. Even though you are a stranger to her, she was like. She will only start the conversation first of all. So if you see her face, you won't feel that she is getting angry only. She was like, hey,
No.
why you are doing like this? Why you do like this? With
I am angry now.
you can't see her face only very cute, so you can't be able to find whether she is angry or she is happy. So I can say both, but she is not too much of angry person. She is always a happy person. Yeah. My question is, what I like most? I a coffee person or I like tea? What do you think?
It's obviously coffee with more coffee powder and more sugar. I know because I have been mostly so many times. Yes.
Yeah.
Fatafat.
It is very easy to have. This is very cheating. She knows everything about me.
Because I am the one who has seen everything from the childhood. Okay, I am far, but still I know about it.
There is my sister's love towards me. So your question, you have to shoot me with your question.
Yes. So the question is, what annoys me most?
Annoying means I am the first person who annoys her every time. Like I really poke her every time. Sis, I'll call her more than 1,000 times in a day. If someone will poke her every time without saying a matter, I know my parents used to scold me every time that.
She will say like, you know what? నీకు ఒకటి చెప్పనా మన చెప్పనా మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ యూ సే ఇఫ్ నాట్ వాట్స్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఐ లాస్ట్
So that is my answer. Okay. Which is my favorite sport?
Sport.
Yeah.
Like what you watch or what you want to play?
What I wants to play.
Wants to play. Actually, I didn't see that you're playing something like a childhood play or like a cricket or football kind of things.
After I grown up, when we also used to play that game together. When we have holidays or vacation time, we used to play.
Shuttle.
Yeah, it's badminton, guys. Yes.
Yeah.
We used to play shuttle a lot. So it's my favorite outdoor game. Because I'm not a gaming person in phone. I hate all mobile games.
Yes, but she likes one thing that addicted for PUBG and
No.
now uninstalled. I know that uninstalled,
No.
but I have seen many times
No.
say phone on playing PUBG.
No, I just tried that game. I just tried that game. Whether
Always
I,
it's a chicken dinner, chicken dinner, chicken dinner. What is the chicken dinner?
no, we won't get any chicken dinner kind of stuff. But it is like if you will win, it will say chicken dinner.
I thought it's really chicken dinner. Somebody is
Why?
way.
Stop it. No, but actually, what is I never play a mobile game, but when I heard about PUBG, it sounds like a little interesting for me. So let's not try once. So I thought like that. So I tried. I learned it. So I'm done with that, and I uninstalled it. So
If you haven't, I should have installed that first of all.
okay, I'm not giving that pressure for you. So okay, this is your turn.
So the question is, what is the funniest memory for us?
Okay. Recently, we laughed a lot. I don't know whether I should say or not, but I have to. Because no, actually, what happens means my sister's husband is a North Indian, so he don't know the Telugu much. But she used to tell me how he used to speak in Telugu. So when she translates that language, I used to laugh a lot. He will explain entire story in Telugu. If you listen to that, you will literally die by laughing and laughing. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we came to the last, and we have only last questions for each and everyone. And my last question and her last question. What I like most? Am I lipstick person or nail polish person?
Actually, both I think, but I know that it's lipstick person.
Yeah. As you can see, I love wearing lipsticks. I do experimenting on lipsticks. She also likes lipsticks. Yeah. I learned from her.
Yes. So the last question is, what is the weirdest habit you have seen in me?
Weirdest. If you ask me, the weirdest thing she'll do means not in a normal basis, but when I used to ask her to do TikTok videos, I'll tell her something to do and she'll do something else on the TikTok video. Like I'll plan to do some action, she'll do her stuff, her own stuff, and it will make me like weird what she is doing. So it is like a little funny, but I'm not saying it is a very weird kind of thing. But she is.
Because I'm not kind of a TikTok person and all, because I don't know why. I think I have to do, but I can't do that.
But she can imitate some like people very well.
That is
She,
behind the camera,
not everywhere.
TikTok
Everywhere
camera.
she can imitate people very well. She'll act very good. So that's all, guys, for this video. We are done for today, and thank you so much for coming and
Back
giving
up.
me your precious time. Okay, that's all, guys. If you are enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For those people who are seeing my face for the first time, please subscribe. Let me know in the comment box how do you feel about that, and also you can suggest me more contents about my future videos.
More and
Thank
more.
you. You want to say
Thank you.
anything?
Please like, share and subscribe to the Free Lifestyle. That's
Bye,
it.
guys.
Bye-bye.